Look at my dab. Look at my dab. Look at my dab. Look at my dab. Look at my dab.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to be making a cake. So without further ado, let's get into the video. And you're gonna need cake mix, in my case, a measuring jug, 2 medium-sized eggs, and measuring spoons, a tiny little tiny bowl like this. Then you're gonna need decoration. I got Maltesers. You're gonna need other chocolate as well. So yeah. Then you're gonna need a big bowl to mix it all up. So without further ado, let's get making. So you're going to add eggs that I've already done, as you can see. Then you're going to add 8 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Now I've got 230 milliliters of water. Now we're going to pour it in. All in. Now we're going to grab our spoon and we're going to mix it in. Then we're going to now we're going to open the cake mix. So now we're going to need the scissors. Okay, we got the scissors, and I'm going to cut it all. Yay! So yeah. Okay, now you're going to see my face. So yeah, now you can see my face. And as I was saying just now, that I'm going to be pouring the chocolate in this. So we're going to be making a chocolate cake. Okay, now you guys can't see. I got it all over me, but okay, it's okay. Now we're going to mix it in. So see when it's all mixed. So this is how it looks when all mixed together with all the ingredients. It's very chocolatey. So you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna eat it.
Right before on the road? You were? Yeah. Does it have a motor?
Yeah. Okay.
So you're really not allowed to ride on the road?
Okay. So you're supposed to mix it for 2 to 3 minutes. That's what the packet says.
Did you tell your children that they weren't allowed to ride on the road with the dirt bike?
And then second step. Oh, it's really thick now. It's really smooth as well. Make sure. Oh yeah, guys. If I was you, don't taste it. Like raw egg,
Didn't see anything.
like raw egg. And if this fails,
It's too late.
it's if it fails, I'm either gonna pour this all over my face, or I'm gonna get an ice bath. So
If you're down in the ditch,
I'm
and you
rooted.
want to get that
So
bike,
and
you have to rev it up to get up there.
if we could get,
Like a
I
wheel.
would. So yeah.
You got hit. You scared?
I just had a great idea.
But you didn't get hurt.
So yeah. Guys, we're just gonna mix this all up in, and then next. I did. And nextly,
She said, oh my God, and what did you do?
then secondly, pour the cake mixture into.
Like how?
Okay, so we're also going to. I don't know what to use, but we're also going to need butter in the pan. So when I get to the pan, see So now the pan is all greased up. It's time to put the cake mixture in here, if I can. Wait, it's not a good idea to use this. Just get 2 spoons then. Yeah, it's a good idea. So we got 2 spoons. Well, I got 2 spoons, not me. You get 2 spoons. Wow.
Trapped in a world of chaos and despair.
Wow, this is I'm really scared that it's not gonna be a good one, but we gotta try, work hard, and you get. I don't know. Well, say saying that matches try. That's okay. An okay saying for it. Oh my gosh, this chocolate cakes look so good. I'm gonna do after. I'll show you what I do after in a minute. Okay, so I'll see you when it's all finished. So yeah. Now it's time to tidy up the mess.
Ooh, I just come and put the hinges in the hand. Counting binges while we meet and make them shake my other hand. Millie rockin', scooping all the blessings on my lap. Bitch, I know you tried to cheat, you should've never took a nap. What's wrong with you? What you were thinking? Fuck you thought it was. You talk that make a lame ass nigga fall in love. Not me though, bitch, you can keep those. Bro, I'm at your head like Craig did Debo. Don't tweak, ooh, I just come and put the hinges in the hand. Counting binges while we meet and make them shake my other hand. Millie rockin', scooping all the blessings on my lap. Bitch, I know you tried to cheat, you should've never took a nap. What's wrong with you? What you were thinking? Fuck you thought it was. You taught that.
So now we've made the cake, and it took about 30 minutes or an hour to make, and now it's time to decorate. So see you when that's decorated. Okay, so yeah, hey guys, well, bye guys, because I'll see you in next week's video. If you have subscribed and you've liked, if you tell your friends about it, if you share about it, then I'll see you next week. If you're just someone who just wants to watch my videos for the sake of watching it, she's like, I'm bored. No girl, you're not bored. If you was good, you would subscribe to my channel right now in like 5 seconds. So let's see if we can do it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Did you do it? Or was you bored? If you was bored, then you would have done it. Or you would have created a Google account. Then come back to my account. Then you would have liked and subscribed, so you can see all my new uploads. And just so you know, I upload on Sundays. So I'll see you next time, and I love all my viewers.